So I've got the basic composition. I've got 3 lily flowers, and these are stargazers, so they're going to be lovely vivid pinks, purples and white. And remember, it's going to be on a natural wooden background, so there'll be a really good contrast. You can see what I've done here is just to colour it using artist pencils, just to give you an idea, because as the maker of a sign, you want to know that the composition all works. So the first thing to do is to cut roughly the right size of board. This is too large, it's too wide at the moment, but you need enough room to manoeuvre, and then we'll cut it down to shape after we've got the drawing in the right spot. And then carving out the number. You can use a router, a little palm held router, or I prefer the larger ones that you can use both hands on. You get a better finish, but overall I prefer to carve it in the traditional manner. It's more satisfying and you get a nice finish. So on to sign writing. So now I'll just show you by moving my palette over here. What I'm doing is mixing various grades of pink through to dark purple. So I've moved the camera around because I didn't realise that you couldn't see very well what I was doing. So just to recap a bit here, what I've done is placed a foundation colour on our petals, and I'm just touching it up to get nice sharp colours, and I like to add in a bit of texture with the paint. So if it curls up a bit, you get a bit of thickness. That's all good because we want it to look really real, and we're creating an illusion. So if you've got, the more texture you can put into it, the better. And we want to blend the colours together so there are no sharp lines between the various shades. And now just onto the final touches. This is just pure white, which just gives the illusion of the sun just picking up on the sort of exposed edges of the petals, and if you lay it on quite thickly, it just adds a bit more texture, and that helps with the illusion, because it now had just an hour or two for the oil coating to just soak into the grain, and you can see it accentuates the woody naturalness. And there we have a striking image of the 3 lily flowers.